I'm Rhett Fayborg. The name of my company is Country Landscapes Incorporated, and we've been in business since 1981, so 34 years. We were the proverbial two guys with a pickup and a wheelbarrow and a couple shovels and started this business, and here we are. We're primarily a landscape design build firm. 95% of our business is designing and then subsequently building landscapes. The concept of the mini skid. We felt like we had an advantage over every other landscaping company that we're competing with because we had this machine. For us, especially in our residential jobs, they just fit so well. Everything from lifting and carrying to augering holes. They're just a wonderful sized machine. They have a light footprint. We can sneak in and sneak out. A wonderful productivity tool. Landscapers in general recognize that this line of products is a huge advantage to them. They've become an essential part of what we do.